me again, Miss Radwa. Today we have a very interesting lesson. Our lesson today is about dividing by a decimal. We're taking before how to divide by whole number and we know the long division from Junior 4. Today we will take how to divide by a decimal. It's very easy. Now let's know together how to divide decimals. If I have 42 hundredths divided by 7 hundredths, my mission here is making the divisor here is what? Is 7 hundredths, whole number. We must make the divisor whole number. We need to make the divisor whole number. If I want to make 7 hundredths to whole number, I will multiply by what? Let's remember multiplying by 10 and 100 and 1000. Okay, the decimal point after how many digits? 2 digits. So I need 2 zeros, I need 100. If I multiply by 100, 7 hundredths multiplied by 100, I will get 7. Okay, what about 42? What I do with dividend, do with divisor, or the reverse. What we do in divisor, we must do it with what? With dividend. Okay, if you multiply by 100 in the divisor to remove the decimal, you will multiply by 100 in the divisor, in the dividend. Okay, so the answer will be 42 divided 7. Now it's easy. 42 divided 7 equal 6. If there is another way, yeah. If I have 42 hundredths, it's mean 42 over 100 divided 7 over 100. Alright? When we divide two fractions together, we keep, change, flip, and multiply. Keep the first dividend. We keep the dividend as it is. So I will write 42 as it is. Change what? Change the sign. I will change the sign from divide to multiply. Then what should I do? Flip. Flip means switch. Upside down. Switch is the divisor. Put 100 up and 7 down. Okay? Then we can cancel 100 with 100 and 42 over 7 equal 6. Alright? But another way to how to get the solution. Okay, now what if I have this digit 2 and 72 hundredths divided by 8 tenths? What should I do? I must make the divisor whole number. I must make the divisor whole number. Okay, the divisor here is 8 tenths. So I need to move this decimal point one place. One place mean 1 0. So I will multiply by 10. Only the divisor? No, the dividend too. So I will multiply by 10. Dividend and divisor. The answer will be 27.2 divided 8. Okay, how should I do that? Let's answer together. Now, let's know how to divide 27 and 2 tenths by 8. I will write it as this form, long division form. Then I will start with if I have one digit in the divisor, I will take only one digit in the dividend. But I can't divide 2 by 8. So I will take the 27. If you start writing the timetable of 8, this is the beginning, if you remember, then 27. Where should I find 27? Where is the closest number to 27? Yeah, 27 between 24 and 32. But I will take the smaller, so I will take 24. Alright. Yeah, here it is. And write 3 in the cushion because 8 times 3 equal 24. Then subtract 7 minus 4, 3, 2 minus 2 equals 0. Then bring down 2. What about the decimal point? The decimal point, if you see decimal point, when you hit the decimal point, put it in the cushion. When you face the decimal point, put it in the cushion, okay? So I will move the decimal point in the cushion, then I will neglect it, alright? If you want to put it, drop it with you, it's okay, but neglect it, alright? So 32, where's 32 here? Excellent. It's 8 times 4, so I will take 32 and put it. Here it is. Then subtract, the answer will be 0. That's it, we did it. So the answer will be 3 and 4 tenths. The point in decimal point is when you hit the decimal point or when you see the decimal point, drop it in the cushion. Put it in the cushion. If you wanted to drop it with you, it's okay. If you wanted to neglect it, it's okay. Right? Super. Okay, now let's take another example. If I have 1,134, 10,000 divided by 1800s. My mission or all I care about in the division decimal, on the dividing decimal, is making the divisor what? Making the divisor whole number. Making the divisor whole number. Okay, here I am. 18 hundreds. I can make it a whole number by what? By multiplying by how many zeros? 2 zeros, 100. So I will multiply by 118 and the dividend 2. Okay, so the answer will be 11 and 34 hundredths divided by 18. Now let's put our formula of long division and start table 18. Very good. Now the first one, do I have or do I see 11 here in the timetable? No. But 11 is in between 18 and 0, right? So I will take 0. Then I will take the 3, 113. But wait a minute, I dropped the decimal point. So when you see the decimal point or when you hit the decimal point, drop it. Drop it or put it in the cushion. Put it in the cushion. When you see the decimal point, put it in the cushion. Okay? Then if you wanted to drop it with you, do it and neglect it. If you don't want, it's okay. But we must neglect the decimal point. Very good. Now I will write 108 because I didn't found 113 in the table, and 113 is in between 108 and 126. So I will take it and write 6 because 18 times 6 equal 108. Write 6 in the cushion and subtract. Alright? 3 minus 8 can't be. It will be 13. 13 minus 8 equal 5. And we take 1 from 11 will be 10. So the answer will be 5 tenths. Okay, now bring down 4. Okay, where is 4 here? 54. Do I see 54? Yeah, I see it. So the happy face will move from 108 to 54. Alright? And take it with me and write 3 in the cushion. Subtract, the answer will be 0. We have that just finished now. Now we finish our lesson today. It's a very easy and we take it before. When you see the decimal point, first of all, before dividing or before doing our division operation, we need to remove the decimal point from the divisor. We need to remove the decimal point from the divisor. By what? By multiplying by 10 or 100 or 1000, depend on the number of digits after the decimal point. Here after the decimal point I have 2 digits, so I will multiply by 100. Only the divisor? No, it can't be. Divisor and the dividend. Then I will make our division as usual. But when I face the decimal point in the dividend, put it in the cushion. When you face the decimal point in the dividend, move it to the cushion and neglect it. Drop it with you and neglect it. Okay? I hope you understand it. If you have any question, please send it to me on the system. I will be there. Thank you for your attention, Junior 5, and have a good day.